Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by importing your clip and placing it on the timeline in Davinci Resolve 19. Switch to the Fairlight page so you can access advanced audio tools. Select the specific audio track you want to clean and open the inspector panel on the right. Enable track automation if you plan to adjust levels over time. Click the EQ and Dynamics buttons to reveal plugin slots. Insert an empty noise reduction plugin in the first available slot. Solo the track to focus on noise only. Insert the noise reduction plugin into the slot you opened earlier on the track. Capture a noise print by selecting a silent section and clicking Learn inside the plugin. Set threshold to -40 dB and reduction to -20 dB as sensible starting points for dialogue. Adjust attack to 10 ms and release to 150 ms to avoid chopping syllables. Choose an FFT size of 2048 for balanced spectral resolution and latency. Toggle the plugin bypass to a B, compare your changes immediately with the original. After noise reduction, add a gentle high-pass filter at 80 Hz to remove low rumble. Use a parametric EQ to notch narrow bands and reduce any remaining hum. If necessary, apply a noise gate with a -45 dB threshold and 3-5-second hold to catch intermittent noises. Create a compound clip for complex edits and render a short test section to verify clarity. Export with a 48K Hz sample rate and 24-bit depth as W.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.